Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add filters on CapCut apps. So it's very simple, just tap on your project and select your video, and I already have a project. And how you can add filters, so just going to select filters in the bottom, just click and select filters you want to add to your video. For example, I select this orange blue filters and you can adjust for this option, or you can try another filters here. Okay, I wanna select this filters, just click check marks and you can just for the duration until finish the video. And here we go. Okay, it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.